Today I am going to explain fourth part of question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Here the question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. To remove the fraction, we'll multiply 8 on both sides of the equation. 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 8 into 0. 8 into 2, 16. 16x square minus 8 into minus x, that is minus 8x, plus 8 into 1 by 8. 8 will get cancelled, is equals to 8 into 0 is 0. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 16. 16 multiply with last term. So 16 into 1 is 16. Product 16 can be written as product. So product is equals to 16. We'll find out the factors of 16. So 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. 2, 8, 4, 4 are the factors. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. We'll factorize using splitting middle term method. We have to split the middle term into two parts in terms of sum or difference of the terms. So we need two factors so that by adding and subtracting we should get minus 8. हमें ऐसे दो फैक्टर्स चाहिए जिसे ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से हमें माइनस 8 आए. सो 2 और 8 को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखेंगे कि हमें माइनस 8 आएगा या नहीं आता. सो 4 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4. सो minus 8x can be written as minus 4x minus 4x. So 16x square minus 8x can be written as minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Take 4x common. 4x into 4x into 4x, 16x square. 4x into minus 1, that is minus 4x. Take minus 1 common. Minus 1 into 4x, that is minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, is equals to 0. Take 4x minus 1 common. Remaining term is 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 4. Here 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 4. Roots of the given equation is 1 by 4, 1 by 4.